implement Qt Parachute with your client, select Manage Programs from the Create Program section of the main menu. Select your client and enter their program list page. Select Add Program to List and select the list to which you would like to add the material. In the program catalog, locate the template titled 2.16 Identical Matching Colors. Select the checkmark icon to begin the assignment process. Arrange the targets to your preference. Custom targets can be added later using our editor tool. Parachute is restricted to the discrete trial DAT. Set your preferred number of trials. Choose your percentage correct for mastery criteria. And select your consecutive sessions and concurrent targets. Add any additional notes and click Save. Then click Update Program List. To add custom targets using our innovative target editor, navigate to the client's program management page and select Edit Targets List from the Actions menu. Click the Add Custom Target button and the target editor will appear. Choose your mode, identical colors or similar colors. Select your color and select your field size. Click Add Target and the newly created target will appear in the Targets Available pane. Repeat this process until you've added your desired targets. Then move the targets to the Target Selected pane and arrange them according to your preference. Click Store New Target Selection. To launch Qt Parachute, run the client's program list. Select the Action button next to the program. By clicking Run this program, the material will launch in a new window. Be sure any pop-up blockers are turned off to ensure that this step is completed successfully. Here in the main menu, you can enter the Settings menu to customize the game to your client's needs. Checking the Remove Backgrounds option will present the colors on a plain white background, removing extraneous stimuli and minimizing distractions. You can also indicate what level of corrective or positive feedback you would like. The Simple Sample option will present a minimal representation of the color if your client struggles with discrimination, and you can also enable manual data collection buttons if you wish. Return to the main menu and then click Go. When the first creature appears at the top of the diving platform, tap him to equip him with diving gear, and the comparison colors will appear on the ground below. Data is recorded for each matching opportunity instantly. The data points are automatically graphed when the program has been completed. To review your client's data, click Program List Report in the main menu. Here you can review the raw data, as well as the daily graph to monitor progress.